From Dubai rural to Australian Prime Minister, how world leaders wished Indians on Diwali. In his message, Australian Prime Minister Anthony Albanese highlighted Diwali's universal message of positivity and renewal. A light shimmers through bylines and the balconies across India. World leaders and foreign ambassadors extended wishes on the occasion of Diwali, which is being celebrated by Indians across the world with pomp and show. In his message, Australian Prime Minister Anthony Albanese highlighted Diwali's universal message of positivity and renewal. He said, as you gather to celebrate the great festival of light, may this special time uplift you with hope and a bright future. May it be an absolutely wonderful celebration. Dubai ruler and the Prime Minister of the United Arab Emirates (UAE), Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum, also conveyed warm message and greetings to the Indian community on the occasion of Diwali. Warmest wishes and greetings to those celebrating Diwali in the UAE and around the world. May this festival of light bring peace, safety, and prosperity to you and your loved one. Happy Diwali, he said in a statement. Singapore Prime Minister Lawrence Wong also extended his Diwali greetings to Indians through a video post on X. In his message, he said, light over darkness, hope over fear. As we count down to Diwali, we celebrate not just the light that fill our home, but the meaning they carry in our heart. Wishing you everyone a bright and meaningful festival of light ahead, he said. The United Kingdom's Prime Minister Keir Starmer also wished Hindus, Jains and Sikhs across Britain a joyful and peaceful Diwali. Earlier this month, I lit a diya in Mumbai as a symbol of devotion, joy and renewed bond. Let's keep building. In his greetings, Pakistan Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif said, on the auspicious occasion of Diwali, I extend my heartfelt greetings to our Hindu community in Pakistan and around the world. As homes and hearts are illuminated with the light of Diwali, may this festival dispel darkness, foster harmony and guide us all toward a future of peace, compassion and shared prosperity. The aspect of Diwali that embodies light over darkness, good over evil and hope over despair inspires our collective resolve to overcome the challenges confronting our society from intolerance to inequality. Let us work together to ensure that every citizen, regardless of faith or background, can live in peace and contribute to progress, he added. The United Nations also wished Indian Happy Diwali. Lights, fireworks and feastings are staples of Diwali celebration. Diwali celebrations across Australia have grown over the past few years, with the latest census in 2021 showing Hinduism was the nation's fastest growing religion. The festival is now celebrated in workplaces and schools across Australia, including stadium-sized festivals. Thank you.